If Lucidchart is giving you a PDF export error, or you keep seeing messages like failed to download or an error occurred, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to troubleshoot the problem and get your diagram exported successfully. These steps are simple, safe, and designed to help you isolate whether the issue is your browser, your document, or the export format itself. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's get into it. First, try exporting the file in an incognito or private window. This is one of the easiest ways to rule out browser extensions, cache data, or cookie conflicts that can interfere with Lucidchart exports. Open a private browsing session, sign in to Lucidchart again, and try exporting the PDF one more time. If it works in private mode, then the issue is probably related to your normal browser session rather than the document itself. If the error still appears, the next thing to check is whether your diagram is too complex for the export process. Large canvases and wide documents can sometimes cause timeouts during PDF generation. To fix that, open your document, go to File, then Document Settings, and look for the Infinite Canvas option. Turn Infinite Canvas off, and then enable Page Tiles instead. This gives your diagram a more structured page layout and helps Lucidchart define clear page breaks for the PDF export. After changing those settings, try exporting again. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem because the document is no longer trying to render one huge endless workspace as a single PDF file. If you're working with flowcharts, system diagrams, or large process maps, this step is especially important. If that doesn't solve it, duplicate the document and export the copy instead of the original. Sometimes the file itself may have a syncing issue, a temporary corruption problem, or a background save delay. To do this, go back to your Documents page, find the diagram, right-click it, and choose Make a Copy. Open the duplicated file, wait a moment for it to fully load, and then test the PDF export again. This is a great way to find out whether the original file is the source of the problem. If the copied version exports correctly, then you know the issue was likely tied to the original document and not your account or browser. You can continue working from the duplicate and avoid the export error going forward. Next, if PDF still fails, test a different export format such as PNG or JPEG. This helps you confirm whether the document is healthy overall. If image export works but PDF does not, then the problem is likely specific to the PDF conversion process. That means Lucidchart can still read and render the diagram, but something about the PDF export path is causing the failure. At that point, you may want to simplify the diagram, reduce page complexity, or split the content into smaller sections before trying the PDF export again. Sometimes, just making the file easier to render is enough to solve the issue completely. So to recap, the main fixes are: try incognito mode, disable infinite canvas and use page tiles, duplicate the document, and test PNG or JPEG export. One of these steps usually reveals exactly where the problem is coming from and gets your file exported properly. If this video helped you fix your Lucidchart PDF export error, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more clear step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.